Welcome to Dutchwell Digitals, a channel where you learn how to build a stable online business. I'm happy to share my knowledge on social media marketing, affiliate marketing, online business updates, financial updates, tips, tricks, and much more. If you want scammy videos on this subject I've mentioned, then you can skip or delete this video. But if you want something genuine and legit, then watch this video to the end, and don't forget to share, subscribe, like this video. Just encourage me to share my opinion with you, to share my knowledge with you, and also turn your bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. It's all free. You're not paying for subscribing, for liking or sharing or turning on your bell notification. Please do that to encourage me to post content like this next time. Okay, without much waste of time, let's go to our class. What do we have today? Today I'm teaching you how you can make money using your smartphone. That phone in your hand is a gold mine. It's a gold mine. You can start a YouTube channel with that phone. Then you create videos and upload it in the platform until you reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and YouTube will send you a mail that you are eligible for their YouTube partner program. You understand? Start it today. Number 2, create and monetize ebooks. You can go to Canva, create ebook, write valuable content, not just any kind of content, evergreen content that people will still be looking for it in 10 years, 15 years to come, so that your ebook can stand the test of time. Create, format it, and then upload it on your page. You can monetize it by locking it. Yes, PDF itself, Adobe Acrobat. You can lock it yourself. Next is to create social media tags. Perform social media tags by maybe following somebody. They have different websites on that. You can follow somebody in the social media tags. You can like, you can share, you can comment. These are different social media tasks you can perform to make money. Even subscribing to somebody's YouTube, there are so many that offer this particular service. You can check out one of them and start performing social media tasks. Next is turning your phone to a market square. Here you create a WhatsApp group. Is that okay? You create a WhatsApp group, and then buyers and sellers will meet in the WhatsApp group. They can sell, they can buy, but you charge a transaction fee. You charge a transaction fee, pay sell or pay buy. Then next is our advertisement service. Here you need to run adverts, maybe TikTok adverts, maybe Instagram, maybe Facebook adverts. Then you direct people to your WhatsApp group. Now when they come there, you yourself can advertise for any client you want to. Just tell them that you can run ads for them. Then you charge them for running that advertisement. So that's all I have today. Please subscribe, like, share, turn your bell notification so that whenever I publish a valuable content like this, YouTube will notify you that I've uploaded a new video. This is free of charge. You're not paying for subscription, YouTube subscription. So subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Help someone else to also know how to make money online. Until I see you in my next video,